Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video we are going to talk about gels. I'm gonna go with you through all the different type of gel that I've been using in my hair, and I'm gonna tell you the pros and cons of using those gels on our fine wavy to curly hair. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I like to apply the gel on my hair to have a stronger hold throughout the day and how to tamp down those frizz. All right, with no further ado, let's get this video started. All right, so I like to categorize gels by their texture. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the thicker texture all the way to the more liquid texture. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna talk about are the custard type of gels, the ones that the texture is so thick that it barely moves in the bottle. You see how heavy this is? All right, so I have two brands here. I have Camellia Rose, the curl making, which is right here. Again, a very thick texture. It's not something that's moving very fluidly, okay? And then I have the Kinky Curly Curl Custard. All right, so when you look at these two products, you see how heavy they are, how texturized they are. This is exactly what it's gonna do to your hair. Depending on the brand, some of them are even hydrating, which will definitely weight fine wavy to curly hair down. Those two brands right here they're pretty much the heaviest gels that my hair can handle. I like to use them on day one to give more body to my hair, more texture to my hair. I will not be able to refresh my hair on day 2 or day 3 with them personally. If you do, feel free to share with us in the comment section how you manage to do that without weighting your hair down too much. But I have to say, I like the body that it gives me. I like the fact that they're not too hydrated, so they're not gonna weight my hair down. Unfortunately, on day 2 or day 3, my hair feels a little too dirty, a little too heavy, and I usually have to either co-wash or refresh or do something that will kind of cleanse the product out of my hair. Okay, so those are great if you want to add a little bit more texture. Definitely not a product you can refresh with, and it will weight your hair down in the long run. Okay, the next gel I'm going to talk about are the cream gel. Here I have Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. I just reviewed this product. I will link the video right here for you to see it. Those are great if you want a one and done type of product. The thing is, as far as the hold, don't expect cream gel to give you a very strong hold. It's barely ever the case. They will give you somewhat of a hold, but nothing dramatic. If you want to have more hold with your cream gel, add a lightweight gel to it. Nothing too heavy, nothing too strong, just a lightweight gel that will give you a little bit extra hold. Another cream gel that I like was from Rizzo's Curls, but again, the hold was very light. I definitely had to add another gel to that. And I think that Bounce Curl has also a cream gel. It worked for me once and then never worked for me again after that. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have a cream gel that you actually like to use and how you like to use it. All right, the next section I'm going to talk about are what I call the regular clear gels. It's pretty much my favorite type of gel personally. Okay, I have two examples here. I have the Bioterra defining gel, and I have the Widad Advanced Climate Control. I technically have 3 examples, but I was too lazy to go in my fridge downstairs to get my flaxseed hair gel. Depending on how you make your hair gel, some people get more of a custard texture to their flaxseed gel. I personally get more of a clear fluid gel when it comes to my flaxseed. I love flaxseed. It's 100% natural, it's budget friendly. You can't be any cheaper than that for the quality of the product. My only little problem with flaxseed, the life shelf is very short. That's the only thing. Okay, so my next 2 favorites are these 2. The Bioterra, here I have a 32-ounce bottle for about $18 online. as far as budget friendly, it's on the market right now. I don't think you can do any better than that. The ingredient list is really good. I already reviewed that product. If I found out, I'll put the link right here for you. This is the gel that I'm using on a regular base right now because it's so easy. The Widad Advanced Control is a lot more expensive. 8.5 ounce bottle for $26. So yeah, you want to be careful when you use this, but it is very, very good. It will give you that hold. There is barely any frizz, and it doesn't matter what the weather throws at you, this thing will keep your hair in shape like nobody's business. So you pay for the quality. That's crystal clear. All right, how do I like to use those gels? Well, we'll talk about that a little bit later in the video. But another thing I can tell you is that these gels are very easy to pair with a lightweight leave-in conditioner. They will not weight your hair down. They will stay very light and very fluffy, unlike a curl custard that will definitely give more texture, more body, and tends to weight your hair down. It's not the case here. All these gels do is keep definition and hold in your hair, and they stay very lightweight, very fluffy. Love them. Okay, the last category of gel are my hairsprays. I have 2 hairsprays here, technically 4, but I'm out of the Elnet, which is what my great-great-grandmother used to put in her hair. Elnet, if you don't know, it's one of the oldest hairspray in the market. But apart from Elnet, we have the Bounce Curl hairspray and then the Widad the Widad Finish Mist. Those hairspray are the strongest spray that I've ever put in my hair. Don't be fooled by the liquid. This is stronger than a thick curl casted type of gel. Okay, this will give you the hold. How do I like to use this? I like to use them as a finish spray to tamp down the frizz on the roots. So I will do my styling with my leave-in conditioner and my gel, right? I will diffuse my hair and I will wait for my hair to fluff up for about 20 minutes, and then I will come in with one of those sprays. I will spray it in my hand, not on my hair right away. I'll spray it in my hand, distribute on both hands, and then I would go right in the roots, and then I will brush my hair through, and then I will let it dry. I'm not scrunching, I'm not doing anything like that. I am brushing through like this, and then I let it air dry. It takes 5 seconds to air dry because they're very volatile type of texture. And when it's dry, I'm gonna shake my hair. I'm gonna shake it like that. The movement I don't want to do when I'm using this hairspray is to scrunch. The goal here is to tamp down the frizz, not put it back up. Okay, you're tamping down. This is not a time to scrunch your hair. That's it. One more thing I want to say about the hairspray. They will dry your hair throughout the day. Those are very dehydrating for your hair. Although they say alcohol free and this and that, long-lasting hold type of spray tend to dry your hair out like nobody's business. So if you have high porosity hair, you may want to stay away from these. Alright, so now that I'm done talking about all the type of gels that I've been trying in my hair for the past 2 to 3 years, I'm going to tell you guys how I like to apply my favorite gel in my hair to get long-lasting hold and as little frizz as possible. Like I said earlier, this one is my go-to gel of the moment because it is affordable. I have a big bottle, but another gel that I like to use is my flaxseed hair gel, and as far as I'm concerned, they both have a similar hold in my hair. So we're gonna go through how I'm using this gel in my hair on a regular basis. Right now I like to use the clumping method, which means that I will apply my leave-in conditioner under the water on soaked hair. Then I will plop my hair up in a hairnet, take care of myself, finish my shower, put lotion on my body, do my makeup, and once I am ready to diffuse my hair, I take up my hairnet and I start scrunching my hair with my microfiber towel to take out that excess water and that excess product in my hair. Once my hair is somewhat drier, it's not dripping wet anymore, that's when I will go in with the gel. I'm applying about 2 tablespoons of gel in my hair. And the way I apply it is I'm scrunching my hair with the gel. I make sure that I scrunch the roots as well so that the roots kind of have that hold also. And then once my entire head of hair is covered with gel, I will start diffusing my hair. If I don't want to have a particularly strong hold on my hair, I will just diffuse my hair until it's fully dried and call it a day. If I want to have that extra hold to my hair, I will stop the diffusing about 40 to 50%, and I will apply a second serving of hair gel. I will put maybe 1 tablespoon instead of 2 just to solidify that extra hold, and then I will go ahead and keep diffusing my hair until it's about 80 to 90% dry. Once I reach that point where my hair is dry enough, I'm gonna let it fluff up for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna see how much frizz is coming out of my hair. If I see that I have too much frizz, I will do the finish spray technique that I was talking about earlier, where I will spray the finish spray on my hand and apply it on the roots of my hair, no scrunching, let it air dry, shake my hair, and then voila. This is the end result after doing all of this. This is a day 2 hair, which means that I did not wash my hair today. Yeah, this is what I pretty much like to do. Now, I don't apply 2 servings of gel in my hair on a regular basis. I did this to show you guys how I do it if I want that extra hold, but on a regular day I just put 1 serving of gel in my hair, diffuse it once, and then we're done. Okay, all right, my loves, this is it for this video. I think I covered everything. I think we talked about everything. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what's your favorite hair gel, how do you like to apply it, what results you get in your hair. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. If I can answer, I'll be happy to, but there's a whole community of us right now, and I see that you guys are helping each other and giving each other advice, and I love to hear that. I love to read that. I think that's it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps me. It helps rank my video on in the YouTube algorithm craziness. Don't forget to share with your friends if you think that it can help them in their curly hair journey, and then subscribe if you've been watching more than 1 video. Maybe you want to know when I'm posting a new one and things like that. All right, my love, I'm gonna go, so I will probably see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay healthy, be happy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.